Oh, look at the love. The love is in the air. Yeah. Ooh, stinky breath? Is it stinky breath? Look at the two of you, so cute. Roxy, stop it. Behave. Roxy, no! No humping. No food. No cookies. Hi, baby. Let me shake. Yay, thank you. Mia? Hi. Oh, you're such a good baby. You're such a baby. Get her, Roxy. Get her. Get her. You guys are kooky. Oh. You guys are nuts. Oh, Mia, where are you? Mia's hiding. Mia's under the table. Come here. I think Mia. Oh my God, they're so funny. Hey, hey, no biting.
Clearly told Karen.
Be nice.
Whether she wants to understand it or not, that's her choice.
Be friendly. Kisses only. Kisses only.
To justify
Kisses.
having everybody's coat there, everybody's bags there. I didn't make that curtain area and spend all that money, you know, for it to be a dumping ground. I didn't tell her that, but the truth of the matter is...
Mia, be careful. Don't be jumping so much.